Mount Pleasant FC exposes JFF's lack of ambition by winning CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. I said it, lack of ambition. But why? Join Premier 7 right now for the big chat. Mount Pleasant did it, winning the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup 3-2 on aggregate in historic mode. Jamaica have something to smile about. But this isn't just about trophy, it's about what it represents. A club that runs properly, invests in its people, and value the game can achieve greatness. And Mount Pleasant exposes the Jamaica Football Federation. Some persons may say this is a reactionary video. It has to be put out there to expose the Jamaica Football Federation. Let me just say this, people. The topic below is all about Mount Pleasant shows how football should be run, more ambition than the JFF. People, I just have to say it. I am still upset that the Jamaica men's national team did not automatically qualify for the FIFA Men's World Cup. And what causes that? Lack of ambition by the Jamaica Football Federation. But before I dive into the importance of this video, if you're new to Premier 7, people, you are seeing on screen the channel have 2,670 subscribers. So please go ahead and do so. The target is 3,000 subs before December 2025 ends. And also, if you are already a subscriber, then you know what to do. Continue to support the channel by liking, commenting, sharing the content with others so that they can be engaged with what is taking place. You're seeing on screen here the happiness of a Jamaican team in a Mount Pleasant FC winning first Caribbean Cup trophy. I know most Jamaicans would have known the location of this club, but for those who don't know, this club is located in Jacksall, St. Anne. But I have to say hats off to the chairman in Peter Good. He's the man who ensured that his club is properly managed, and from the head is good, everything comes down in line, should follow. Hats off to Coach Tappa Whitmore and the team, and of course the supporters who have been supporting this club from day one. All right, so here's the news. The 2025 CONCACAF Caribbean Cup concluded with Mount Pleasant FC playing to a 2-2 draw against Universidad O and MFC, with the former securing a 3-2 aggregate victory in the second leg of the final on Tuesday at Independence Park in Kingston, Jamaica. Out here, that was done. These guys shows more ambition than even the players who represent the Reggae Boys on that night when we needed for them to win that crucial game against Curacao. However, Mount Pleasant FC became the second Jamaican team to win the tournament after Cavalier FC took the crown in the 2024 edition. Mount Pleasant FC have more ambition than those who are in charge of the JFF. And it's not a case of wanting to disrespect anyone. That is never my style. But when there's a need to call out those persons who are in charge, who is running the football at the highest level, and seeing that a club that is lower than the highest level is out doing what they are doing, it needs to be exposed. Now, of course, let me just talk some more on this. So, I have to say, Congrats again to Coach Tappa Whitmore. He has built a team that competes with intelligence, discipline, and heart. The players deliver because they are respected and motivated. The club owners has created an environment where football comes first, no politics, no excuse, no distraction. This is professionalism in action. Every decision, every investment, every strategy is designed to win, and the result speaks for themselves. Mount Pleasant isn't just lifting a trophy, they're showing what possibly could be done when football is run properly with vision, dedication, and ambition. Is this what the Jamaica Football Federation is about? Absolutely not. And I'm not here to talk about Mr. Rudolph Speed. I am here to talk about those who are in charge of the Jamaica Football Federation. President Michael Ricketts, you are ahead of the table. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. And for me personally, not only me alone, but the fans of Jamaica who are still suffering, we believe that the Jamaica Football Federation is shambolic. Too many politics, too many distraction, too many excuses. Excuses in the sense of coming out, doing a video about how you believe that Jamaica can still. We don't want to hear that. We have heard all of those before, and we just want to see Jamaica play better football. Anyone who is in charge of Jamaica Football Federation has to take a page of Mount Pleasant, have to take a page of Cavalier. The thing is, the Jamaica Football Federation biggest problem is lack of accountability, and it shows here that without being accountable, anything can happen. Anything can happen because guess what? We are fans. We only can talk to you, but guess what? You are doing your thing, and it shows that you guys don't bleed the football as we do. And in this case, now, people, JFF will always fall short because of the politics, lack of leadership, bias, short term thinking. There's no proper structure, and players aren't playing comfortably. Players are playing some type of way on the pitch and doing things on social media, and yet still nothing is done about it. Can I really blame the players for their action? I can. But if there's accountability, if there's a standard at the highest level, then these players would have understand that, hey, I cannot be doing this, I cannot be doing that. And Mount Pleasant is the perfect example showing us that success is a possibility if the environment is there for such to happen. I mean, they prove that winning isn't about luck, it's about respect for the game. I said it before, accountability and ambition. And this is a lesson to every administrator, every coach, and everyone who loves football in Jamaica and even overseas. But specifically, I am here as a Jamaican fan telling you that the JFF should take the football more serious. I don't believe that the JFF is bleeding Jamaica football at heart. That is the reason why we're continuously looking like trash on and off the field. So, people, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Congratulating the Mount Pleasant FC team, but just revealing how lack of ambition and accountability from the Jamaica Football Federation needs to stop. Because, I mean, Mount Pleasant, they have won the game, they have won the important um, trophy. They have proved that if you want to gain fans, you have to start to win. The JFF, I don't think you guys have any fan because of what you guys are doing. So hats off to the chairman, Mr. Gould, the coach, Mr. Theodore Tappa Whitmore, and the staffs of course, the players and the fans, the new and the old fans of Mount Pleasant. So Jamaica football isn't running properly, no professionalism, I would say. Well, if it is there, then okay, it is there. But ambition is not there. And maybe, just maybe, the JFF should take a note from Mount Pleasant FC. Because if clubs like this can reach these heights, there's no reason why Jamaica football should not be aiming to that level at the federation level. So aim to be on top of things. Stop being trying to trick people because our eyes are open to see that for years we are trash at the highest level. So this is a lesson. Learn from it, respect it, and please make Jamaica football better.